Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying who owns the image and what rights you actually have. Once done, check the license. Some allow reuse with attribution, others prohibit modification. Make sure to document what you find because you will need permission for any removal or alteration. If you can't determine the owner, use reverse image tools to trace sources. This first step prevents legal trouble and saves time. Don't skip it, and keep a clear record of permissions or denials. You now ask for explicit permission when ownership is confirmed. Explain why you need a clean image, how you'll use it, and offer credit or a licensing fee if appropriate. Once the owner replies, make sure the agreement is written, specifying allowed edits and distribution. If they grant a license, follow its terms exactly. If they deny permission, respect that decision and don't proceed. This step is the legal pathway that lets you safely use. If permission is denied or unavailable, you pivot to lawful alternatives. You can buy a licensed stock photo, commission a similar original from a photographer or designer, or replace the image with public domain or appropriately licensed content. Once you secure a legal substitute, make sure to archive the license or contract. Troubleshooting tip: if rights remain unclear, consult an intellectual property professional before making edits or publishing, because relying on guesswork can expose you to takedowns or legal claims.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.